So as you can see, public address system are the system which are used for addressing a large gathering of people. It can be anywhere. It can be in period of elections. It can be in period of gatherings. It can be in period of the sports activity. So wherever large gathering of people is there, and you have to address that public, you have to give instruction on microphone and etc. Then whatever system you'll use, that system is known as public address system. So obviously, more than one microphones are connected. More than one microphones are connected, and obviously more than one speakers are connected to that system. Not exactly three, two, from two to any number of microphones that system can take input from them. Okay. So how this system works? First of all, mixer is the block which is responsible for mixing all the input coming from the microphone. Suppose three microphones are there, then mixer will combine the sound coming from three microphones, the active microphones. If microphone is switched off, then you cannot actually use it. You cannot speak on that microphone. So whatever active number of microphones are there, sound coming from all the microphones are mixed together. Combined audio signal is generated. That signal is given to the video amplifier. The working of video amplifier is exactly similar to the working of pre-amplifier in case of hi-fi system. म्हणजे पहिले hi-fi system शिकलो त्याच्यामध्ये जे pre-amplifier चं काम आहे, low voltage to high voltage signal मध्ये convert करणं. That is known as voltage amplifier, but it is also pre-amplifier. Then processing circuit, obviously the bass, treble, gain, that are the function performed by the you can say the equalizer in case of hi-fi amplifier. कुठल्याही सिग्नलचा बास, ट्रिबल, गेन कंट्रोल करणं, ह्या सगळ्या ऍक्टिव्हिटी प्रोसेसिंग सर्किट म्हणजेच इक्वलायझर करणार आहे. इक्वलायझर काय असतं ते आपण थिअरीमध्ये शिकणार आहोत पुढे. पण एक लक्षात घ्या की प्रोसेसिंग सर्किट किंवा इक्वलायझर काय काम करतं, तर प्रोसेसिंग सर्किट आणि इक्वलायझर बास, ट्रिबल, गेन आणि साऊंडचं इंटेन्सिटी या सगळ्या गोष्टी प्रोसेस करण्याचं किंवा कंट्रोल करण्याचं काम करतं. ड्रायव्हर अँप्लिफायर, ऑब्वियसली द पॉवर ऑफ द सिग्नल has to be increased. So before giving that signal to the power amplifier, its voltage must be raised. So driver amplifier improves the voltage that is applied to the input of your public address system, and then that amplified voltage amplified signal is given to power amplifier. Power amplifier will increase the power level because many speakers are connected to the system. If suppose public of 1,000 count is there in the auditorium, so you obviously you have to use for better sound quality as well as to reach the sound exactly to the last person. What you will use more number of speakers. So to each speaker your sound must be given at equal intensity, so the power of the sound or the audio which is so the power amplifier will increase the power and sound will be given to the number of speakers that are connected to that system. Okay. So one more thing here to understand that if the output impedance of that power amplifier is suppose 50 ohm. Okay, if suppose 50 ohm, so all these speakers which are here, it should be arranged such a way that these speakers should be arranged such a way that all the speakers must combiningly produce this 50 ohm resistance or the impedance. Then and then your speakers will work. Okay, maximum power will be transferred. Otherwise, what you will do, you have to connect here one more impedance matching circuit, that is the step up or step down transformer, so that the frequencies, the sound will be transferred from input to the outside speakers. Is it clear? Is there a doubt in public address system?
No, sir.
Again, I am telling you, the output of microphone is fed to the mixer stage. Mixer stage combines all the signals coming from the all inputs. Okay, means separate mics are there, all the mics are combined together, single signal will be generated. Then voltage amplifier and processing circuit, togetherly voltage amplifier is used to provide further amplification to the output of mixer. Processing circuit block consists of master gain and tone control. Tone control means bass treble gain control. Okay, so bass circuit will boost or cut the lower frequencies, that is the bass frequencies, and treble control will boost or cut the higher frequency. Boost पण करतात किंवा attenuate पण करतात. Cutting करणं म्हणजे attenuate करणं. Okay, and driver and power amplifier circuit. Driver amplifier drives the power amplifier to give the more power. Basically, driver amplifier is the voltage amplifier, power amplifier is the current amplifier. And finally, the loudspeaker will convert the amplified power amplified signal into the audio signal. Is it clear? We'll see the troubleshooting process. We'll see the troubleshooting process of audio system. First of all, analyze user's complaint and prepare report on it. जी काही युजरची कंप्लेंट आहे ती अनालाइज करा. Test the power supply, check all the connections physically, then test the power supply. Testing of fuses in power supply. Power supply मध्ये भरपूर सारे फ्यूज पण असतात. If power supply is correct, then identify the faulty sections. Means depending upon fault, the fault section will be different. Identify faulty circuit and faulty components. If faulty components are there, repair it. After repairing, check the system. So these are the step-by-step procedure for finding any fault and repairing the system. Suppose user comes to you, ask him what are the doubts, what are the problems are there in the system. When complaint is analyzed, check the system physically. Means physical inspection is done. And some parts are burned or not burned, etc. Some tracks are open, some wires are broken or not. This physical inspection is done. If system is dead completely, then test the power supply. Okay. If power is not produced, obviously system will not work. So test the power supply. During the testing of power supply, test the fuses. Then identify the faulty section. If power supply is okay, means other parts are faulty. Okay. Then when faulty section is analyzed, then identify the faulty circuit. In that section, which circuit is faulty, which components are faulty. Then determine why that component or that circuit is faulty. And suppose the track of that circuit is open, the wire is broken. You can say the fuses connecting that circuit to other circuits are open. If the components are burned or damaged, then also that circuit may get faulty. Repair that part and again check the system. So this is the step-by-step procedure using which you can troubleshoot any audio system. So similarly, you can test your public address system for its faultiness. Start the system. First of all, you will power up the system. Apply the audio input. कुठलं तरी audio input, like suppose तुम्ही mic धरून बोलतायत. Then check the output. If output is not coming properly, then it shows that some fault is there occurred. So identify that fault. Suppose you are speaking on microphone, but still output is not coming on speaker. So first of all, test the microphone, connect different microphone, then try to listen. If it is working, then okay. If it is not working, it means microphone is faulty. Okay. If suppose speaker is faulty, then again check it. If sound is coming in good way, yes, sound is coming, but that sound is distorted, then what you'll do? You will check the amplifier stage. If amplifier stage is okay, then you'll check the processing circuit stage or power amplifier stage. If still that fault is not rectified, all components are okay. If that fault is not rectified, then check the microphone. Then check the microphone. If microphone is replaced and you are hearing the good quality sound, means your microphone is faulty. So replace that microphone. And if all the sections are tested correctly, then you will be get to know the problem, solve that problem, repair that circuit, and your public address system will be okay system. Okay, so this is the step-by-step repairing process of public address system. So in today's lecture, we have studied the two devices, that is hi-fi system and public address system. In next lecture, we'll study So in next lecture, we'll study about the CD player, the components that are there in CD player, blocks, the types or different types of CD player, how the CD player actually picks up the sound and play on the speaker, means actual block diagram of CD player, then CD pickup assembly, components that are there in CD pickup assembly, gear systems. So entire thing about CD player. Then we'll see the digital audio system generation. Actually, your hi-fi amplifier or public address system, CD player, these plays or processes sound in analog format. Then we'll study the digitized format. Okay, so around 2 lectures will be required for completing unit number 2. Is it clear? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay.